going on here? It's all the days that just kind of annoying in the court. It's, I don't know. I don't know why I clear my throat so much. Okay, so I'm just talking to myself, but it's still a good video. And oh wow. Okay, so I'm sorry if I'm missing out my rules, but it's still a good video. And I am going to build my own orbit today, and I am pretty excited to do that, so yeah. Hey, if Mom has time. If not, tomorrow will probably be a good day. I don't know, I'm not. Oh, okay, so, yeah, so, oh wow. I need to stop missing out my rules. You know what, guys? Well, probably I might set it like right here. Right now, I might use it a little bit. So yeah. Alright, let's do the group devil. Sorry if I didn't talk, but I was just making this video pretty quick. But it might be a little bit longer, because I don't know. It's just I don't know. Alright. I'm just gonna, well, I'm not doing any passes, so yeah. I'm just gonna vacuum these, so yeah. And if I build my own orbit, if I build my own orbit today, I'll probably have to do a little demo between the orbit, go down with the Bissell, and you'll see how those three do, so yeah. And I might set some in the black decor side, so yeah. Alright, let's get to it. Oh my gosh. Alright, last but not least, let's start now here. So yeah. The girl will did a pretty good job. Yeah, the Bissell did a pretty good job too. And actually, I think, well, I don't know. Well, I vacuumed a little more as the Dark Devil. Not much as a Bissell. Just cause, not really much as a Bissell, but it did pretty, well yeah. It did do a pretty good job, so yeah. And I'm glad I got the Bissell, cause it looks pretty good. And it does have a lot of attachments, so yeah. And I do use the attachments sometimes, but not all the time, cause I like to use the the upright version, but I still like it. So yeah. Okay. Let's at least so it's not really mine, but I am still using it. It's really hard to push though. And I'm not really going to do much of this one, but it's still going to be doing a pretty good job. Oh yeah, still going to do, oh yeah, sorry. So it's still going to do a pretty good job. So yeah. Alright, let's get to you guys. Alright, so I was going to show you is, canister. Well, yeah, I don't really need to say that. So, well, what I want to show you is this green button or this green light. It doesn't even turn on much because it doesn't even work. Burns out a few times. And it just doesn't work for some reason. I don't know why. Not an vacuum, the green light. It's got pretty good bristles or brushes. Yeah, I know. It works pretty good, but I'm gonna do a little test in a little bit with the Bissell. But I might vacuum put this whole matter in, so yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, I know. I can't clean my throat for some reason. And that's kind of annoying. But anyways, let's get to it. So yeah. But I don't know if it's kind of annoying that I clean my throat out, but I do that every morning for some reason. I don't know why. Just a story about it. Okay, let's do this. Sorry guys, so the server did a pretty good job actually, so yeah. And I think we have a winner guys. And I'll tell you when I'm done wrapping it up. So yeah. Okay. I have to this thing up. Oh. Alright. So, you know what? I made all my vacuums. Well, yeah, sorry. So, yeah, alright. So, the winner is the Bissell, the Dark Devil, and Circus. All these vacuums did pretty good job, actually. And let me show you the canisters. And yeah. So this one picked up quite good, actually. Yeah, this is awesome. So yeah, it did pick up quite good, actually. So yeah. And I'll set this back over here. And the devil. This one picks up a lot. Yeah. This is awesome. Yeah. I got it because I vacuum tested it. And yeah, so I'll probably just, I don't know. Alright, so Sark, took pretty good amount. Yeah, picked up pretty good amount. I don't think you can see. Well, yeah, sorry. So, I don't think you could see, but that's pretty good amount just there. So, yeah. And so, yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. So, yeah. See ya. Bye.